Hey everyone! Welcome back, another video. Today I am going to draw a beautiful scooter. Let's get started. First I'm going to draw the girl's face, a beautiful cap on the girl's head, a flower. The girl has two beautiful eyes, nose and mouth. Now I'm drawing the hair areas. Friends, I am drawing the girl's neck and body. I will draw a beautiful hand of the girl. Now I'm starting to draw a scooty, friends. And this is the front of the scooter, a beautiful front light. Next, I'm drawing the front wheel of this scooter like this. Hee, two lines to draw the body of the scooter. Then I draw the girl's feet along with her shoes. Drawing the girl's other foot with shoes. This time, I will draw the top part of the wheel. Now, I will draw the rear wheel of the scooter. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Pink color. Purple. Peach color. The girl's whole screen. Brown color. Red color, orange, yellow, red color, purple, red color, yellow, green color, yellow color, orange color again. I am giving sky blue color to both wheels. Peach color, orange, green color, pink color, red color. Wow, so beautiful! Thanks for sticking with us for so long, friends. Like and share. See you later in the video.